Welcome to this technical guide on the Acer Aspire 5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that some keys on your Acer Aspire 5 are not responding, you're not alone. This issue can arise due to dust or debris getting lodged under the keys, or it may be a sign of a faulty keyboard mechanism. Ignoring this problem can lead to further complications, making it even harder to type effectively, so it's best to address it sooner rather than later. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and of course, a replacement keyboard for your Acer Aspire 5. Now, let's get started on the step-by-step repair. First, make sure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Place it on a clean, flat surface. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel. Be sure to keep track of the screws as you will need them later. After unscrewing, gently use the plastic prying tool to lift off the back panel, being careful not to damage any clips. Once the back panel is off, locate the keyboard connector. It will typically be situated on the motherboard, and you'll need to carefully disconnect it. To do this, gently lift the connector latch and pull the cable out. Now, take the new keyboard and align it with the mounting points on your laptop. Press it down firmly to ensure it connects properly. Reconnect the keyboard cable to the motherboard, ensuring it clicks back into place. At this point, if you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, replace the back panel by aligning it properly and pressing down until you hear the clip snap back into place. Secure it by reinserting all the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightly fitted but not over-tightened, as this could damage the casing. Finally, power on your laptop and test the new keyboard to ensure all keys are functioning correctly. To avoid this issue in the future, try to keep your keyboard clean by using compressed air to remove dust and debris regularly. Additionally, avoid eating or drinking near your laptop, as spills can lead to significant damage. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.